Kenny.
That's for later. Right now, these guys are going at it.
At some point, he's got to let him go. You can lift and hold him on for 30 seconds if you're moving around, but they're getting close.
Can't hold him forever here.
So there you go. There's the official release, but it looks like somebody's smoking. Bombshell's clearly taking major damage. Let the boss battle begin.
Expect an aggressive start there from
Oh, look at this.
Oh no!
Are you kidding me?
That tire has been removed.
10, 9. Victor Soto's getting counted out already.
Oh, devastating knockout by Witch Doctor.
That's it.
Brutal.
Witch Doctor punches its ticket to the next round. Let the bot battle begin. And Brutus comes out firing. It's carnage here in the battle box. Oh! Direct hit and Mobius is stunned. Oh!
Huge hit there from Brutus.
Uh-oh, Mobius is smoking here in the first 15 seconds. Brutus is all over Mobius here in the early going. Now he's on the attack with the vertical spinner. Oh! Puts him up on the screws.
This is brutal, Chris. Wham, bam, thank you, Mobius.
This thing's gonna be over, Kenny. And look at Brutus doing a victory dance.
You gotta show me you got some movement. You got nothing.
Mobius just got owned, Chris. What a display from Brutus. Wow. Brutal. Oh.
Takes it to Son of Waiachi.
Oh. Huge impact.
Chuck Vincent is going full bore right at Son of Waiachi.
Ghost Raptor has yet to get that blade up to speed, Chris. It looks to me like he's inviting Son of Waiachi to attack his wedge.
Oh!
Huge hit there.
Oh, Ghost Raptor's finally gonna let that blade fly. Oh no, oh no. What's this?
Looks like Chuck is having problems with his blade. That left wedge is jammed upward and preventing him from spinning.
Come on, that's not happening.
And now Son of Waiachi's spinning bot has wedged himself underneath Ghost Raptor. I don't think he can move, Kenny. Chuck Pinter's in real trouble here.
I got him pinned.
And now he's gonna go in for the kill. He's teed up. Oh!
Come on.
Here we go. Sweet dream.
Oh! No mercy from Son of Waiachi.
10, 9,
Ghost Raptor's
8,
getting counted out.
7.
The Ewers are gonna win this fight.
5,
They've waited a year for this moment, and here it is.
2, 1. We're done.
And for just pulverizing Blacksmith right now. Oh, man.
The clock is winding down. This is Blacksmith. Oh, he got more spark. Hit him. Get him hit now.
And he's on fire. Blacksmith is on fire.
Knockout.
And Minotaur has done it. In the 9 seconds, he dealt the fatal blow to Blacksmith. What an incredible fight. And Minotaur doing a celebratory dance. Look at this. Wow. Just leading with that wedge. Who's going to throw the next blow here? Oh!
Huge hit there.
Oh, Drumfly just lost his front blade.
He's sizing him up for another one.
Oh, taking another shot.
Debris is flying everywhere.
And look at this. Rocco's spinning himself back around. He wants that flipper back in play. He's going in for the kill here.
Check it out.
There's one flip. Pulverizer just missed Drumfly.
This is the Bronco we know so well, Chris.
Out of the arena.
He's gonna take it out. Oh! Oh my goodness! Get out of here!
Let the box battle begin. Here comes Shaman. Blowing fire early.
Witch Doctor comes out aggressive, but they need to avoid those claws.
Red Devil trying to use that grappler. It's got it. Just big pockets. Oh, brings it over to the Pulverizer. Dropping the hammer. Oh, there's a shot on Red Devil. Oh.
Red Devil trying to cut into the top of Witch Doctor here, just like they planned.
Now this pin cannot last forever. At some point, Red Devil's going to have to let Witch Doctor go. Shaman's been turned over on its head.
That's not good, Chris. Shaman's in trouble.
And Somebody's smoking, Kenny. Who's smoking?
It looks like it might be Red Devil. Witch Doctor breaks free, and oh, it's Witch Doctor that's smoking.
Witch Doctor's motor is in trouble. A Witch Doctor being thrust backward by Red Devil. And now Andreas Suarez's body's been flipped over.
Witch Doctor is in serious trouble here. Witch Doctor does have a self-righting mechanism, but right now I don't think it's active.
You can see those tires spinning aimlessly. And oh, a last-ditch effort with the kill saw on Red Devil.
This would be a huge upset, Chris.
The battle box has been engulfed in smoke. Witch Doctor is down. Shaman is down. The countdown has started.
And look at that chemical fog pouring out of the number 3 seam. It looks like a haunted house in here. And Red Devil is already celebrating.
Knockout.
Wow.
He needs to line himself up perfectly. Poison Arrow looks like he wants some more. Sono Waiachi's on the rope. Oh! Has he got no respect, Kenny?
10, 9,
Sono Waiachi's getting counted out.
This is going to be a huge upset for Poison Arrow.
3, 2,
Wow.
1. We're done. Knockout.
Pizza is so low to the ground, it's going to be very difficult. Oh!
Throws the first hammer drop and has to right itself immediately.
That hammer is just so powerful.
Backs himself into the corner and oh! Beat it to the backside. That's the kill shot he's looking for. Yes!
Overhaul is not moving, Chris. This could be it.
Show me movement. Working on it.
Overhaul in serious trouble.
10, 9,
Overhaul being counted out.
7.
Let's beat him once more. He can taste blood. He can taste victory. Vita is the winner. Looks like Lucky's flipper is working again. Oh! Yeti has lost the wheel. Kenny, what's he gonna do? Oh! He's decapitated Lucky. Unbelievable. Lucky has lost his head. Now Lucky, he's on the ropes with no primary weapon. Can he pull out something? Anything!
There's still time on the clock, Chris. Lucky just needs to hang on, but
The drop spinner from Yeti still wreaking havoc. Oh, what a hit!
eat him. Eat him. Yeti grinding down Lucky.
Lucky on its last legs, Kenny. That last hit looks to have had an effect on its drivetrain. Yeti just needs that knockout blow.
Ain't got nothing. We can brush that off. Keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Under a minute to go. Lucky clinging out for dear life.
Go get him. Just go get him.
Here comes the countdown. Yeti celebrating, and so he should be. He's taking this match on 3 wheels. This Yeti can dance. Knockout.
Good job.
Let the botch battle begin. Complete Control trying to get around to that side of Warhead. He's looking for that armpit, Kenny. Oh! What a hit! Kenny, I felt that one in my bones. Oh, Warhead's back up.
And Complete Control finally getting that flame going.
So both bots have regained consciousness here.
Whoa! He just sliced right through Complete Control.
Oh, no.
Okay, steady, son.
Warhead has steadied himself, but Complete Control hasn't moved since Warhead sliced right through him. Oh!